Hi guys, so our canvas is ready and I plan to make a sketch, not a sketch, a painting which is similar to this but a better version of this. So I wasn't sure whether I'd be able to make it, so I made this. Now this I'm not happy with, and this I have rushed also a bit, but I want to make like a very original version. So this is for this I have taken a reference which was already created, and this is an exact iteration of that, but I want to create an original piece. So I planned out my original how the original piece is going to be. It's basically a fair basically a story. If you must have seen Araiti of Ghibli Studios or Thumbelina by Disney Studios, it's about those small creatures which live along with humans, and the story of that. So if you haven't seen that already, please go and watch. Both those movies are fantastic. So my idea is to like have a paint an illustration of that particular world where fairies, or maybe if you would have seen Tinkerbell, the way Tinkerbell is much smaller than an original sized human. So that way, I want to create a world similar to Tinkerbell, similar to Araiti, or similar to Thumbelina. Those kind of this thing. So I wanted to make an illustration similar to that. So I tried a couple of times. Now this was again a recreation of what was already existed, but then I created my own version, and now the canvas is ready. So I want to make something similar to this, and the reference I this is gouache, but I am not happy with how gouache has worked actually. Now let's see. I'm leaning towards using this maybe acrylic paints, but I'm not sure because I'm not happy the way this is giving these results are. So maybe I won't use wash, or maybe I will, I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll just end up using acrylics. So yeah, let's just start making. Let's just get on the journey and see if this video gets a final YouTube vlog. So yeah, let's get going. I did a rough this thing for this painting. This, as you can see on the screen, I made a rough sketch, and then I started my painting. I did a complete first layer with burnt sienna color, and then I started the painting so that it's easier to blend in colors. The paper also gets prepared, and it takes colors well once it already has a coat of water over it, and you let it dry. It takes the color well. Now I haven't recorded my entire process because the thing is that recording and painting together is a bit like it takes a lot of time, and my electricity went off while I was doing this, so my phone wasn't charged completely, so I couldn't record. I've been recording everything on my phone, so I couldn't record it. But this is when I was able to charge my phone, and this is how far my painting was by the time the electricity came back and I could charge my phone and start recording again. The thing is that this painting turned out to be okay, not exactly as I pictured. So, but I am happy with it because it's been a while since I have painted with the intention of making a YouTube video out of it, and it takes a certain kind of effort to do that, to paint and record at the same time. So if you see people acing that game, it's just they are very good at painting, because that's only when you are able to do that. So I was happy with this, and this is an original piece, and this is not, mostly I make paintings out of references, but here also I've used references, but this is my complete original. Like, I have taken reference for the posture, how the my characters are sitting, where the placement of leaves will be, where the placement of flowers would be. I'm not really happy with the placement of flower near the foot of the person who is painting, but yeah, that just, you have to make do with it. And but I really like the color palette that I have used here, and I would like to make more paintings with this similar color palette. And yeah, I realized that I just have to do more of paintings, because I haven't been doing that lately. I've been doing a lot of sketches, but not completely finished paintings. And when I thought that I wanted to make a YouTube video, that actually motivated me to make a finished painting, because sketches, I don't think, they don't make to my they make it to my Instagram, but they don't make to my, like, I don't put it up on YouTube. So I wanted to really post something, so it motivated me to make a finished painting. And since that was it, I was like, even if this is not the best of my work, I still want to put it out on YouTube, because it's not necessary that you always put out the best of your work. It is necessary that you show the mediocre, the failures, because I feel we are just putting a very finished product, and sometimes always doing that sometimes just messes up with people's perception of things. So it is okay to every now and then put a painting which is okay. It's not the best of your work, but it still is the best, because when you did it, you weren't in the right mental space maybe, or you were struggling and all of that, and that was your best effort on that day, because you were battling other things while doing this painting. So, and I watched Tinkerbell when I was making this painting. And so yeah, I while for the inspiration for this painting, I went back and watched Tinkerbell, and I realized I never really watched Tinkerbell completely. It's an amazing movie. It has stood the test of time and makes sense even after so many years, after a decade of it being released. So I would really encourage you people to go back to all those sweet animations like Araiti, Tinkerbell. Thumbelina I still haven't watched, but I know the story. I had read the story when I was little, and it just sometimes heals your soul to go back and watch these beautiful movies, especially Araiti. Araiti has some really beautiful illustration. I still have to watch part 3 of Tinkerbell. I'm done with 2 parts. So yeah. So that was my journey while I was making this painting. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what animated movies you're watching lately, or any series that you're watching lately, and give me some suggestions. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.